Hello everyone, welcome to the bench. This is a very quick update video so that I can give you an update on the bits and pieces that I've ordered from Italeri. Now, some of you remember that I'd started building the MP4 Gigaspace tractor unit or cab unit, whichever you prefer, and then I lost a small sub-assembly, and to the love of God, I have no idea what I've done with it or where I put it, but I'm sure I'll find it at some point. So I thought I would order some replacement parts from Italeri, and never having ordered anything from them in the past, wasn't quite sure what the process was or if I would ever get anything. Well, today we got this from Italeri. It's the parts that I've ordered. Now, to give you some kind of time frame, I think I started the order process, I think around about the 8th, 9th, maybe 10th of January. They shipped the order, or packed and shipped the order, on the 16th of January. It's the 9th of February. They say on the paperwork, standard mail service, Europe delivery in about 15 days, outside EU about 30 days. So I think they've come within that time frame, which is brilliant. So thank you very much to everyone at Italeri that helped and got this one sorted out. Brilliant. The process is you tell them what you want, they come back and ask you to confirm what you want. They go off and see if they've got the parts. They come back, let you know that they've got the parts, how much it's going to cost. You need to confirm your postal address and everything, and how you're going to pay, whether by the bank transfer, PayPal, or whatever. Once you've gone through all of that process, then they get the order sent off to you. You don't get any communication to say that it's been shipped. You don't get anything, you just sit there and wait. To be quite honest with you, I completely forgot about it until Postman Pat threw it through the letterbox today. So yeah, I'm well chuffed. So if anyone out there is having to or thinking about ordering from Italeri, follow the process. So long as they've got the parts to send, they will send them out to you. How long it takes to get to you, I don't know. It should be within 30 days if it's in the UK. So there you are. That's the update for it. I hope you find it interesting. And I shall close the video by simply saying thank you very much for watching. As always, stay safe, stay well, and I will see you in the next one.